Hi students, once again welcome back to the world of English. In today's session, we are going to deal with vocabulary part from unit 2. Okay, and this part deals with prefixes and suffixes. Okay, and the part is mainly of suffixes, but let's also learn what is a prefix with different examples. Okay, now what is meant by pre? The meaning of pre is before. Okay, now prefix is adding group of letters at the beginning of the root word. Okay, we add group of letters at the beginning of the root word. Okay, please understand the meaning of pre is before. We add group of letters at the beginning of the root word. Okay, now what is the main function of the prefix? It changes the word meaning. Okay, it changes the word meaning. For example, lucky, unlucky. Okay, lucky is a root word. Un. Okay, unlucky. It is becoming different word, right? By adding prefix un, unlucky. The meaning of unlucky is not lucky. Cooked, uncooked. Cooked is a root word. Uncooked, un. Okay, we are adding group of letters at the beginning of the root word. Okay, so what are the root words that are present in the slide? Lucky and cooked. Okay, and we have added group of letters at the beginning of the root word, that is un. Okay, unlucky, uncooked. Is it clear? So dear students, do you understand what are prefixes? A prefix is a group of letters we add to the front of a word. We add group of letters at the beginning of the word. And what is the purpose of the prefix? It changes the meaning or the purpose of the word. Okay, now let's see an example. Kind. Okay, the word is kind. By adding un, okay, you are making it as unkind. Do you understand? Now, unkind is the antonym of kind. Is it clear? Let's see some more examples of prefix. My mom was unwell at the weekend with a bad cold. My mom was unwell at the weekend with a bad cold. Unwell, well, unwell. Okay, well is the root word. Now we are adding prefix, which means group of letters, that is un. Okay, unwell. Do you understand now? Jerry seemed unhappy that the cat was by his hole. Jerry seemed unhappy. What is the root word? Here it is happy. Now what is the prefix that is added? Un. Okay, unhappy, happy, unhappy. Jerry seemed unhappy that the cat was by his hole. Is it clear? Sally disagreed with Tom over who threw the snowball. Okay, now what is the root word? The root word is agreed. Okay, the root word is agreed. Now how has the word meaning has been changed in this prefix? Okay, agreed, disagreed, opposite word, antonym. Okay, so the root word is agreed, and we have added a group of letters at the beginning of the root word, that is dis. Is it clear? Can you disable the alarm? Can you disable the alarm? Now what is the root word here? It's able. Now we are adding group of letters, prefix, that is dis. Disable, able, disable. Okay, so please pay attention. Here we have some of the root words and with the prefix. Okay, now when we look, we have the prefix un, that is un, which means not. Okay, now root words are also given there. Now how will we do it? That is finished, do, well, load, pack, fit are all root words. Okay, now by adding prefix, that is un, we are changing the entire meaning of the word. finished, unfinished, fit, unfit, pack, unpack, load, unload, well, unwell, do, undo. Okay, so whatever we have in blue letters are the root words. Okay, and you know already the prefix which is added to each root word. Is it clear? Let's see some more examples. We have some more root words here. Can you identify? Yes, they are trust, colored, like, please, approve, order. Okay, now these are the root words, right? The letters or the words that are in blue. Now we have the prefix dis. Okay, by adding this prefix dis to the root word, we are changing the entire meaning of the word. Okay, now see, discolored, dislike, displease, disapprove, disorder, distrust. Do you understand now? Let's see some more examples of prefix. Okay, now please observe here. The words that are in blue are the root words. Please understand. Okay, the root words are the blue words. Okay, now we have prefix, which means the letters that are in red in color. The letters that are in red are the prefixes. Okay, prefixes, you know it already, adding group of letters at the beginning of the root word. Okay, so if we have here unwell, discharge, unfit, uncover, disagree, disobey, disappear, disapprove, disbelief. Okay. Danny had to refill the bucket. Danny had to refill the bucket. Refill. Fill is the root word. Re is the prefix. Prefix is group of letters that we add at the beginning of the root word. Okay. The TV showed an action replay. The TV showed an action replay. Replay. Play is the root word. Re is the prefix. Okay. Dad had to defrost the chicken before he put it in the oven. Dad had to defrost the chicken before he put it in the oven. Okay, now what is the root word here? It is frost. Okay, frost is the root word, and we are adding prefix D. Okay, D is a prefix, group of letters that are added to the root word at the beginning. Defrost, frost, defrost. Okay. The time to depart from the station had arrived. The time to depart from the station had arrived. Depart. What is the root word here? It is part. Part is the root word. Now prefix is D. Depart. Part, depart. Okay, so prefix is adding group of letters at the beginning of the root word. Now what letters are added at the beginning of the root word? It is DE. Okay, depart. Is it clear? Bath liked prehistoric animals. Okay, Bath liked prehistoric animals. Now what is the root word here? It is historic. Historic is a root word, and prefix is pre. Okay, prefix is pre, group of letters added at the beginning of the root word. Root word is historic and the prefix is pre. Is it clear? So I believe you have understood what is prefix, right? So prefix is a group of letters you add at the beginning of the root word. Okay, you add group of letters at the beginning of the root word and it changes the entire meaning of the word. Okay. Now let's move to the other part of the session, that is suffix. We have already learned prefix, right? Now we are going to learn suffix. Okay, now before we get into know what is suffix, you have been hearing from me the word, root word. Now let's know what is root word. A root word stands on its own as a word. Okay, it is able to stand on its own. Okay, so you can make new words from it by adding beginning or ending. Okay, by adding prefix or suffix to the root word we can make new words. Okay, that's what we had learned previously, the prefix, right? We have added group of letters to the root word at the beginning. Now we are going to learn suffix, where we are going to add group of letters at the end of the root word. Okay, a suffix is a group of words that are added at the end of a word that conditions its usage or meaning. In simple terms, it is a group of words that are added at the end of the root word. You have already known what is root word, right? Root word is able to stand on its own. Okay, so we make another new word by adding group of letters at the end of the root word. Is it clear? So what do you understand by suffixes? Suffixes are a few letters added to a root word. Okay, we add group of letters at the end of the root word. So finally the word turned out to be having a new ending. Okay, these letters give the word a new ending because we are adding group of letters at the end of the root word, right? So when we add group of letters at the end of the root word, the meaning can change. Okay, it can change the meaning a little or a lot. Is it clear? So dear students, please note, suffix is a letter or group of letters attached to the end of a word to form a new word or to alter the grammatical function of the original word. Simple, we add group of letters at the end of a root word to change or to alter grammatical functions of the original word. Okay, for example, we have the verb read. Okay, the verb read can be changed into noun by adding er. We are adding at the end of the root word, right? Read, reader. Read word, reader is noun. Okay, the same. We have an adjective readable. How is the word readable is formed? Read plus able. Okay, so the word readable can be changed into an adjective by adding able, readable. Is it clear? So dear students, when we look at the slide, see here we have a group of suffixes, meaning and final word with a suffix, right? Now see government. What is a root word and suffix that is given? You see the black dark letters are root words and red letters are actually the suffixes. Government, darkness, prohibition, prohibit, prohibition, dark, darkness, dance, dancer. Okay, so simple here. In suffix, what we are doing, we are adding group of letters at the end of the root word, and sometimes the words meaning may change a little or sometimes a lot. Okay, I believe you have understood. So we have another word, painting. Okay, the word painting. How is the word painting is formed? Paint plus ing, right? So we have the root word paint and a group of letters, that is suffix ing, is added, right? So we have painting. Is it clear? So dear students, here are some of the rules in making suffixes. Okay, so there are some rules to form our suffixes, adding group of letters at the end of the root word. It doesn't mean that we add any group of letters. No. Okay, there are some exceptional rules. Okay, the first rule is when the word ends in C or G, we have to keep the silent E if the suffix begins with A or O. For example, replace. Replace is a root word. Suffix is able, replaceable. Okay, we are not removing that E, right? Yes, we are not removing E. The next word is courage. The word courage is ending with E. Okay, courageous. Courageous, we are adding group of letters OUS, right? So the fourth one is When the word ends in a consonant plus y, change the y to I before any suffix. Okay, not beginning it with I. Okay, now just simple it is. When the word ends in y, okay, now even when you change your degrees of comparison, when adjective ends in y, what do you do in uh, a comparative and superlative degree? You change that y into ier, right? Okay, so the same here, when the word ends in y, we will have to add ier. So sunny, sunnier. Hurry, hurrying. Okay, here the first word is adjective and the second word is actually your verb. Okay, simple. When the word ends in y, okay, and when it is adjective, we will have to add ier. Okay, and the next one, hurrying, what you're doing, you're adding ing, hurrying. Okay, so they are suffixes because you're adding group of letters at the end of the root word. Okay.